Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my name is Esther. Have you ever wondered why the drawing of your nose has always looked unrealistic? So in this video, I'm going to tell you why. So keep watching till the end. The first thing you want to understand when drawing a realistic nose is that you want to draw your proportions out and you want to make it correct. So now you are going to draw two straight lines. This one, this is the second one. This shows how wide you want your nose to be. Then you are going to draw an horizontal line. That's the horizontal line, a long one and a short one. You can place a short one somewhere. And the short one. So now you are going to adjust this line down like that. So now from here you want to start drawing your curve of the nose like this. So from here you then curve it to your nose bridge. You do the same to the other side too, like this. You curve it. Then you take it to your nose bridge. As we all know that a nose always extend up and curve to the part of the eye, like this. Like this. You have to just, and this one too, like this. So now, from here you want to draw your nose rails. You can split this into half. Then make your nose come out like this to the nose, to the lines that you drew. So I'm going to draw this too. Like this. So now I already have a basic structure that I want for my nose. So I'm going to put a nose roll here. So now the next thing you want to do is to make sure that all your sketches are okay. You can just adjust some parts there, like that. I'm going to clean out the unwanted parts. That is the sketch, the guidelines that we drew to guide us through. Most of us don't usually get our proportions correctly. That is why most of our drawings used to normally go off. So you want to make sure that your proportions is correct. So you clean it out. You can just remove the eraser, scrape it from the eraser. You can just remove it out by using your dust or anything with something. Make sure your hand is not dead so you won't need the drawing. You can just adjust the sketch because it looks like we've erased some parts. Also, your nose is not that rigid. You want to make it a bit curved. You want to work more on the curve. Now, the next thing is for us to shade. Before you shade, you have to determine where you want your highlight to be. So I want my highlight to be here and here. So I already know before I start shading that, okay, this is where I want my highlight to be. So then I use my pencil to shade the remaining parts. I will bring it a little close, but not so close to the line, to give it this 3D effect. So I shade by using strokes. I'm going to make another video on shading, so watch out. So I'm shading it. So you want to make sure you shade. Shade this place. Now it will be very easy for us to sketch out our nose roots. So to shade out our nose roots, so we won't erase it or shade it to blend with the skin. Then the nose will have no nose roots. We don't want that kind of nose. So we have to shade this with. I'm using a 9XS Bikini Valley pencil to give me this dark nose rouge, because our nose rouge are mostly dark. So like this. You now go back using the pencil. I'm using a Staedtler 8B. Staedtler 8B pencil. So I will now shade it. I'm going to continue my shading. You see, I'm not taking my shading close to this place. I'm only shading it away from the line. So this one, we are going to do the same thing as what you've done before. So you can see that even without blending, I already have my nose. So now I'm going to use a blending stone to blend this part in. So let's use another blending stone for this thing. So I already used another blending stone for this skin. So I blend it smoothly so it will give my skin the tone it deserves. While you're blending, you have to be very careful. So now at this highlight point, you want to have some mid-tones. You don't just want to make it just white. Like that. No, there'll be a white part, because without a white part, your nose can't really come out. So you then shade it. You shade it. You blend it. You keep on blending. See, it has gotten to the texture that you want it to get to. Okay, so we're going to extend this nostril because it's not yet complete. Like this. So I'm going to use my blending stone to blend it. You blend. Make sure that what you're blending is smooth. Then you shade the edges. So this is an 8B Staedtler pencil mass photograph. Move to the other side too. You shade it. So you then blend the edges out. So you blend it out. You can see that we're already having a 3D. Our nose is already looking realistic. But you just want to make sure that you're blending it right so that it will look more even. I won't have it scratchy. You can also practice it. Draw another nose. Don't forget 2 lines first. An horizontal line, straight one. Just play around with it. A straight one, like this. You curve this one like this. Up like this. The length of year to year has to be the same thing as the length of year to year. you draw your nose too. So you have to make this a bit curved. You can see that this one is already giving me another nose. So let me draw a small nose. Just make sure that before you go into details, you remove the sketch. So this is another shape of the nose.